Alright everybody, welcome back to another RV tour. Today we are at Berryland Campers looking at the 2027 2351 Forest River Forester 4x4 edition, and this is a off-road style motorhome, and this has a 4-link conversion in the front with a 4-inch lift and bigger tires, and that is going to allow you to do anything off-road that you could possibly imagine with this motorhome. Now, before we get started, if you like these kinds of tours, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on the video. We post all the time, and without further ado, let's get into it. So, like I said, this is the 2027 Forester 4x4 edition, and there's not many of these in production at the moment. And as you can see, this thing looks a little bit different in the front. You have that 4-link suspension and that 4-inch lift. Also, you get a steel bumper in the front with tow hooks and some integrated LED lights as well. Full body paint, which is the gel coat paint on the exterior. You get added running boards because you have the lift. You can see the 4x4 Extreme right here on the side. You get an awning with the LED light strip on the exterior, and you can see the upgraded wheels and tires. You get some storage here, as well as some storage in the rear, and it is pass-through, and you get a nice shelf right here. And that pretty much wraps it up for this side of the motorhome. Now in the rear, you get a pretty basic design, but you get an added steel bumper with the integrated brake lights for any off-roading needs, as well as the Gen Y hitch that tows up to 7,500 pounds. Coming around this side, we have our 30 amp hookup, as well as some storage and your sewer connections right here, your propane bottle, and your generator. And this is a beautiful, beautiful unit that Forest River is doing. And like I said, there's not many of these available right now. And we're gonna take a look inside and see what it's all about. Alright, so we're on the inside of this coach, and it has a couple different things differing from the regular 2351 chassis. It's basically the same, but there's a couple things that make it different. One of which being your 4-wheel drive shifter. You get 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and 4 low, as well as your switch for your light bars in the front on that steel bumper that you get upgraded with this chassis. Regular Ford E450 in the front, and you still get the bunk over the cab with the storage and the USB and a privacy curtain. Right behind that, you get your drop down dinette, and this is a C dinette, so it is going to be a little bit bigger. You get your window with your night shades and a little integrated LED light above, and you get your cabinets for storage all along the top here. On the other side, you get entertainment, as well as your panel for all your tank levels, your gen start, stuff like that, and a little bit of storage with your satellite for your TV right there. Down here at the bottom you get your battery disconnect, your awning lights, your awning switch, and a nice countertop extension here. Moving on to the kitchen, you get a tower of power as well as a single basin sink with the detachable nozzle, a 3-burner stove top, and the convection microwave with some storage underneath the sink and at the bottom down there. You also get some storage up at the top. You get a 12-volt fridge. It's a dual open fridge. And a ice box at the bottom. Turning around, you can see the closet here with space for hangers and some storage at the bottom with the vanity, sink, and medicine cabinet behind the mirror, and the corner queen bed with the nightshades, and those have some integrated LED lights as well as storage all along the top. You get a fan right above the bed, and your bathroom in the rear. You get a nice toilet with a pretty decent sized shower with the detachable shower head and sliding shower door. And that pretty much wraps it up for this unit. And the exterior of this unit is what makes it the most special, because it is on that 4-inch lift and it is a bigger chassis with the 4-link in the front. And if you like this unit and you're interested in it, you can go to our website at berrylandcampers.com, or you can give us a call at 985-370-7001. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this RV tour.